Bro, I ride.
I'm sure you did.
I ride dirty.
They're going to Beaverton, huh?
I guess we're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
The fucking Grom! Every time I'm not on the Grom, we see Grom Bros. What's going on, everybody? Brapaholic here, and as you see, as usual, I'm with Cowylicious. It's a beautiful, beautiful Friday afternoon. We're gonna head out, get something to eat. Neither one of us is eating today, so try to focus a little bit more on the channel and you know, making it grow and try to get this community to actually take off. So yeah, we're just gonna go out for a little cruise and get something to eat.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you didn't watch my last video, I accidentally looped my Grom. Yeah, I tried to shift in one of my wheelies, and it's a lot different than shifting wheelies on this thing. And luckily, got it all fixed, taken care of, good to go. We're working on getting better, guys. I know my wheelies aren't the greatest. Oh, what's up, bro?
He's on a tri-wheel, bro.
Yeah, so? Let me give my opinion on trike bros, okay? I just assume that most trike guys are, you know, they might be handicapped and just want to ride, though. Cowylicious wants to go fast, so he's gonna go fast. Damn, Cowylicious.
I can still hear you. Hello?
Hello.
Back to my car.
25-mile-an-hour corner. I'm gonna try hitting it at 0. See how I do.
Yeah.
Oh, it's dirty as shit, but that's okay. This is why I don't come out here by myself on this bike. I'll go like 100 fucking everywhere.
Dude, FTO9?
No. I think I want to keep living the sumo life for a while. Damn, it needs to rain on this road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where are you taking him?
Fucking my house.
Yeah, that sounds like quite the date, dude.
It is for me.
He's probably gonna kill you.
I don't think so, Cowylicious. I should... Jesus, dude, my fucking ears!
Yeah. It's the freaking random square. I was short stepped it real back to the ramp right here.
Yeah, I saw that. Dang, Cowylicious, you're getting it in the corners today. I'm liking it.
My tires are finally stopped in.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Nice.
What's this guy doing?
I don't know. Driving like a fucking retard? Like,
Yeah, we're gonna go out.
if we can. He's fucking all over the road. Now he's gonna go fast.
He's not going fast enough.
Just don't go around this guy. I think that blondie's fishing.
Doubt it.
Oh. Well, that makes me sad.
Because we'll be able to see our bikes in our seat, dude.
If you say so. Cowylicious claims to have a supercomputer. Yeah, he can't upload his footage, so he can't even record any footage.
Well, I can upload it, I just haven't done it yet.
Are we gonna...
Fucking more.
Oh, this guy's all salty because I took his pump. I'm gonna take my sweet ass time.
Yeah.
I love when you first start pumping gas and you put that nice squirt of regular in. That's like still in the hose.
Yeah.
It's great. Great stuff.
That's great. They're straight and you tell.
Well, he doesn't have a signal on as most people.
I'm gonna go around him, okay?
You're gonna split, you mean?
Yeah.
Alright, whatever, go. A little late now. I fucking did a wheelie in that pass.
They were gonna go so fucking slow.
Yep. Oh, this ride is so much better now that Cowalicious has his tires scrubbed in, guys. We're nailing corners.
Yeah, I like this corner. This corner, I like this much crap on it.
Yeah, because that gravel road is on the right and left of it. So they kick out a shit ton from right there.
Yeah. Like what?
Yeah. Oh, man, that was gnarly.
This corner I don't like either.
Why? Because I'm going to pass you on the inside in it?
No, I get to go down the new paved, fun, curvy road.
Okay, dude, I'm stoked. There's actually bikes. I can't believe it. That's like the first time all year.
See, like right now I'm in eco mode, and now I'm in touring mode, okay, now I'm in sport touring mode, now I'm in sport mode, and then I'm in crash.
Nice. I didn't know that bike had all those settings.
Yeah,
I'm starting to think this is on a fucking tam. Check out this biker.
there's a truck behind
That thing is sick, dude.
You know, you gotta get one.
That guy's getting it.
They're like 10 miles an hour.
The fuel economy is way better because it doesn't use as high of RPMs as the Z does, and it creates less power at lower RPMs. It's just a better bike, dude. Just admit it.
It's not a better bike.
It is.
Oh.
It's just a better bike.
Oh, that's your opinion, not a fact.
No, that is a fact.
What if you go down the corner and it's all C145?
I guarantee you it's not.
What if it is?
Because it's not, dude. The Tampa Grom Squad, the Jacksonville Grom Squad, the Miami Grom Squad.
You think there's no C?
I've never heard of Z125 Squad.
I've heard of C-Squad.
I haven't.
C sucks. That might be a town.
No, it's not. Don't say that kind of shit,
That
Cowalicious.
pool of girls is so small. Pretty much all those girls you've seen, I've seen when I was little.
Yep. I know.
One way playing out this giant.
Oh, I had a bad entry on that second one. Let's clean it up on this one. Crushed it! I was gonna try, but it didn't do it. Yeah, I think I have to turn the bars left if I want to go right. It's weird, when I shift lock, I can't like get my body in the position to look underneath the bars. So I just chase it the whole time. They got chips.
Well, it is the convenience store.
Alright, still figuring out the steering, guys. It's like, just when I think I figure it out, it doesn't work. Damn, Cowalicious, get on his ass a little more. Alright guys, well, my camera was frozen, so we missed like an hour of good shots, but you know, whatever, fuck it, you know, we don't need them, right? Yeah, so I had some pretty good wheelies too. I was finally starting to figure out how to steer them, but I guess we'll have to throw some of those in next time. Jesus, dude, that's so fucking loud in my helmet.
Gonna wheelie the bridge, dude?
Nah.
Oh, you got this audience.
Yeah. God damn it, Cowley, you're gonna get me fucking in trouble, dude. I got it, I caught it. Alright, Cowlicious, I'm done with you getting me in trouble.
There's no blinkers though.
You don't need them in Michigan.
He's not using his arm though.
That's a good point. That's illegal. Guys, well, I think that's it for today. I think it's just going to be a quick Supermoto video. Hopefully some of my footage actually came through, but the GoPro froze and I missed out on a lot of good stuff. So I figured out how to steer our wheelies a little better today. It's still a little sketch, but you know, hopefully we just get better day by day. We got to go get Cowlicious some groceries, so yeah, we're going to end the video here. Peace!